Hi guys, in last session we studied about the OOPS concept. Those are the core and basic concept in Java. Next we will move to collection framework. As you know, we studied about the arrays, but there are some disadvantages of arrays. We cannot deal with the multiple type of data in a single array, and also uh, the array is fixed size. So it is having some disadvantages. Then they came across the correction framework. The correction framework is actually it is an interface, like it is implemented by a util package. It is having some interfaces like set, list, and queue. Yeah, like we have to, yeah, map is also a kind of a what you call a collection, but it is not implemented by correction framework. This comes under different scenario. I will tell in the next session. Okay, in this session we'll mainly focus on list and set. Okay, I'll now move to list. Yes, a list is in a Java. A list is an interface. It is extended to a collection interface. List is an interface which is extended by collection framework. It is used for a order collection. Means whenever we are adding the data in a list, it will store it is in the form of an order by using the index. Like whenever we are try to insert some data, it will take some index value, then it will maintain the order. And in this one advantage of this list is it is allowing the duplicate elements to store in it. Right? Okay. Now there like list is having some classes and subclasses like array list, linked list, and vector. Okay, we will focus on the array list now. The array list class implements the list interface means it provides like some methods by extending the list, like implementing the list interface. There are some yeah, array list means it is implements the list interface. Array list having some inbuilt methods like add method, remove method, and to accessing we have get method, and for manipulating we have uh, put method. It allows the duplicates value and store the and maintain insertion order. Yeah, as I told in the list, it is allowing the duplicates to store and it will maintain the insertion order. Okay. It is index based and random access allowed. Means yeah, it is mainly focusing on the index base and a random access means we can access from any element from the list using based on the index number. So it is a random access. Array list manipulation is slow because a lot of shifting of index and values need to be occur. Yeah. Array list means because we are storing in the form of index. So when we try to manipulate, try to insert somewhere in the middle or some position, then the array, like whatever the values are index present in there, they have to be shipped. It will not directly go to that place and it will not insert. So the shifting will occur. This is one of the disadvantage. Like it will take more time for manipulation compared to others. So see, I see there is a diagram for the array list. See, this is a one default size of the array list is 10. See, okay. we can, it will be resizable. Like when we, and when I 10th index, like ninth index value full, then it will automatically resize based on the values and try to manipulate this list. Okay. Yes. So we have link next. We have link list. The link list main advantage is like in link list we can access, like we can insert, we can delete the values based on their index value. So it is a less, like it will take less time. There is no shifting like array, like it, yeah, it arrays in array list, because linked list internally using like doubly linked list data structure means it is having a node base, like one, there is a value, and it is having one previous node address, and okay, it is connected with like, yeah, using the node address of the previous element. So like that manner it will work internally. So we can store duplicate also. And one of the main advantage of the linked list is like what do you call it? Performance. When we need a like performance in insertion and deletion, then we have to go for this linked list. Yeah, this is the diagram for the W linked list. See here in the first block, like we have three containers. Like first one is a previous node address means null because the first block, no? So and 208 is the second block node address 208, and 202 is the previous, like this first block address here. Like they are connected to each other with the interlinked to each other with using the node address. Same thing. Okay, when we try to like insert or delete, they'll automatically shift their position by this node address only. And it is what do you call it? It is the ordered collection. So next we will move to vector. See, vector is also like the same like array list only. There is a like small difference, like it is a synchronized collection and it is thread safe. Means synchronized means when we have two threads or two operations are performing on the same vector list, then it will not allow. It will only take one request at a time or operation at a time. So this is one of the main advantage of the vector. And it is also a dynamic resizing means whenever the array is full, then it will automatically resize, and it will resize to double, like it is having like a load factor as a one. If we have 10 blocks, it will automatically convert it to 20 blocks. If we have 15 blocks also, data in 15 blocks also, other five blocks are empty. So it is consuming like unwanted memory. So the developers always prefers uh, array list, because it will take whatever, like if we have 15 blocks of data, it will take only that much of data. It will resize up to 15 only. So one of the advantage of the array list. And in vector we have one subclass called stack. It is also called as a like it is more popular for the list operation, LIFO operation. Okay? Last in first out. Like we have one box, we are adding some values into the like books into the box. Then we cannot take directly like below book. We have to take from the upside only. Up. Same thing will happen in the stack also. Same. We are inserting values directly into like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But when we try to remove it, will remove first to sixth position, like sixth index only, like this. Okay. And like we will see the like example for this in the Eclipse in the next section. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. And I have given the links for this blog in the description. You can read it if you have any doubts. Okay, you can comment it. Thank you.